Welcome back to this video. If you keep getting random calls from scammers or stranger and you don't know how this is happening, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to stop stranger from calling you and scammers from calling you on your phone right now. So let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on settings right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to simply scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to Google right here. So click on Google. The next thing you need to do is to click on all services. Then scroll down until you get to phone number sharing right here. Click on that. What you need to do right here is to make sure you turn this off. By turning this off, strangers, third-party apps, or scammers, they will not have access to your phone number, and your privacy is going to be protected. Next, let's exit from here, and the next thing we want to do here is to head over to our phone setting again. So I'm going to simply click on here and type in settings. Click on phone settings again. Next thing we want to do is to click on search right here and type in permission. Then right here, scroll down right here and check on apps permissions right here. Click on app permissions. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to review call logs and contacts. For you to do that, click on call logs. Here, you see all apps that have access to your call logs, which means that each time you are making calls on your phone or you use those apps to make calls on your phone, you can review them and check them. If you find out that some of the apps you allow right here are not legit and you cannot trust them, what you need to do is to review and remove the app for call log section. So like for instance, if you do not understand this particular auto 100 right here, if you do not understand the apps, click on the apps and make sure that you do not allow. It's that simple. Then go back. The next thing you want to review here is your contacts. Click on contact right here. Then here you see all apps that have access to your phone contact. Review as many as possible apps. If you find out any apps that you no longer trust right here, what you need to do is to simply click on the app and make sure you click on don't allow and go back. By the time you click on not allow, it's going to be erased from the app. It means that if you don't allow any apps from these sections right here, those apps will not have access to the contacts or the contacts you have on your phone. And as a result of that, you are protecting your privacy, your contact privacy, your call log privacy, and that you will not be able to receive call from stranger, call from scammers, and the likes. It's that simple. For more tutorial about best on how to protect your privacy, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.